Today I'm going to show you how to delete your table but keep your data intact. So this is a pretty simple thing to do. Right here I have my pivot table, as you can see. What I'm going to do is just click on it and then Control A, and then I'm going to select Control plus C in order to copy the data, and I'm going to just click right here on this free space on the sheet, and I'm going to uh, paste the values here. So after I did that, I can go back to the pivot table, and I can select Control plus A again, and then hit the delete button in order to delete this pivot table. So right now, if I want to put my data back, all I need to do is go to the new pivot table. And what I can do right here is also select Control plus A and then Control plus X in order to cut this the table. And I can go back to the main spot where my first pivot table was, and then Control V, and I can paste the data from my initial pivot table right here. So this is pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.